Today I'm going to be unboxing a brand new product from Wilton, and this is the Wilton TWIST. It's a quick coupler for your piping bags. So let's get into this beautiful new gadget. So the new Wilton TWIST retails for about $4. And here's the back of the package. So let's get into this. And there we go. We'll just undo this. So there are all the parts. So I've just zoomed in to show you all of the pieces. So here is the cap. And then we have three other pieces. This here is the twist. Watch how easy this is. That's it. This here opens up. This portion here goes inside your bag. This here screws onto the outside once your bag is attached. Then you'll grab one of your little baking tips. That goes on there. This goes on. Watch this, how easy this is. Boom. Done. Let's switch it to this one. Undo it. Pop that one on. There we go. Is that amazing? Really ingenious idea. Once you have finished frosting for the day, simply turn the purple piece, remove it, grab your cover, and that simply twists on, and there you go. Airtight. Really nice. And that is a Wilton product. So let me grab a Wilton disposable piping bag and we'll try this out. So I've got a Wilton disposable bag here, and I've cut the tip off already. Grab your first section and just slide that in right to the bottom. Then grab your second section and that just simply screws on like that, and there we have it. We are ready to go. So if you want to use a tip, you just slap that on there, grab this section, and a very fast twist, and there you go. Undo that one, grab another one, a half a twist, boom, done. Isn't that amazing? Really nice. I really like this product. Very impressive. So that's it for this very fast unboxing and quick review of the Wilton TWIST quick coupler. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.